it's okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Oh. People just talking about snow. I'm coming outside here. And and you're coming outside here, putting on clothes, and you're full of clothes, full of layers, and you say you're playing in snow. What does it mean? This is the snow. You have to put on everything. That's my boy. Playing in the snow. All my equipment are covered with snow. You don't put anything when you're playing in snow. Look, no shoes, no what, no, but you can still playing in snow. You see? You know what I mean? Playing with the kids in snow. It's even you see? You can even rolling yourself in snow without anything, without any clothes. In snow. Snow is fantastic. This is UK man. Okay, in Malawi, we call them matope. But look at this. That shit. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Eh? Huh? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? When you're in snow, don't cry. Don't cry. Eh? So come outside here. Play with me. If you say you can play in snow, you don't play in snow when you have lots of layers with you. You don't do that. You take off everything and you play in snow. That's how it works. And it works better. You know what I mean? No anything, no shoes, nothing. You see? That's how you look. Not in snow. You put on 7 layers and you in the snow. In the snow. It doesn't work like that. This is the proper snow. Then you go there, you walk barefooted. Not scared of it's a freezing here. It's a freezing here. And it's a freezing. And yet you put on 7 layers of clothes and you're playing in snow. It doesn't work like that. Eh? No! You see, this is man in the office can play in snow without obvious. Without it, can't play in the snow. This is proper snow, not fake snow. You think maybe it's melts a flower. This is proper snow, but you can still play there, sleeping there. If you want, like you are dead. You see, you can run around, live in the snow. Eh? For people, this is you don't play in snow. Yes, what's the matter? Okay? That's how you do it. Everyone is just what you do. So if you are there, you think you can play in the snow, come and join me. Come and join me right now. So we can play in the snow. If you want, you can come on your tools there in the snow. You can still do this if you want. This without anything at all. You see, if you want, you have some weights here. You can't even take them out. Don't kill me. You see, so I'm telling you out there, if you think you can play in snow, come out. Come and join me here. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. This is proper snow. Okay then. I'm hoping to see you soon, guys. I know you're watching and you're gonna be watching. Come on, sir. I'm waiting for you outside. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm waiting for you now. Yes. And it's gonna happen and it's gonna continue happening here. Sure. Okay, then thank you very much for watching, everyone. This is gonna be man in the overalls. Can play in snow anytime you want. This is proper my weather. My weather. Cornby, yeah. You can get Cornby. Okay then. Yeah, we can go. You can go in. Me, get used with this weather. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Yes. Man in the overalls. Kenge.